It's just about 7:30, so I have a feeling our guys are outside sitting in their van waiting for me to signal them. So this one should be down by the end of the day, and then they'll get started down below. It's all happening. We're quite lucky in that the actual chimney stack is self-supported. Because it's in the center of the room, it's already braced onto the structural walls, but because there's such a large concrete plinth between the floorboards, they had to essentially sandwich it with the bracing above and the bracing below. But to get to that point, we had to take the next gen panel that was closest to the wall off. Yeah, it is what it is. It's just got to come down so we can do this safely, and then hopefully we can put it right back up.
Is it properly stuck?
The problem, yeah, it is.
Okay, let me just get you a wee sponge.
And the problem is
I mean, it's very tough. It is graphene.
Good.
So
That's what he's going to have to do. I think we just have to get
yeah, let me grab a little sponge and we'll see if we can wet it a bit and get it down. Yep, warm water here.
A bit more water. Yeah, look, he's got one here. Look, she's already got one. Look,
I'm on it.
look. No, I've already got. Look, yeah.
Is it solid?
That's not that bad.
Yeah, that's
nothing off underneath. So.
yeah, that's fine. I mean, like I said, we're gonna put it back up. We just yeah, as long as it's taking the paint off, not leaving the paper behind. It's just about getting it nice and wet. Yeah, it's about wetting the back of it, not the front of it, as we go and just pushing it.
Should we open a spray bottle?
Oh, I have a spray bottle.
Yeah, blood
spray it on.
Spray it on.
What's that for then?
That's the heating. That heats infrared on top.
Yeah, that's my heating.
Oh yeah, is it there,
Yeah, that's the heating. It pumps out heat.
Yeah, I've got it turned off in here and in the green room. But if you come in,
connected to something.
yeah, it's all wired in.
Yeah,
Yeah, but if you come into my office, you'll be able to feel.
Oh no way, that's good.
Yeah.
Technology going on.
I said my office. Andy's like, your office. Yeah, because hopefully if we can get that side to just peel, then it will just kind of make up for it. And like I said, we can always just cut those few inches off where the paper has come apart. Yeah, I'd much rather have a naked ceiling. There we go. Nice. See? Easy peasy. Outside has been a bit of a crotchety. Come on. Oh yeah.
Oh!
There you go.
Seen that.
There's like a little side, little catch on this side where it just needs to be sprayed again.
Okay, what on this side?
Yeah, just making progress. Like that. Yes, once it decides to go, it's pretty good. And now I feel useful.
Yeah.
Not just paying somebody else. Yeah, so I was just using the green thing and just kind of stick it in a bit and then just pull it down.
Yeah.
And it seems to just be cracking it right off.
Oh,
Getting there.
oh. Oh, look, it's pulling down. Oh, look at that. That's quite handy it's done that though, really. 'Cause
Yeah.
if you just keep that seeding wet, that'll fall off there, no problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Finger.
Oh, yeah, love it.
I can use
Yeah, good boy.
insulation tape to cover it up.
Yeah, mate. Cool. That's the builder's way.
Hello. Hey. Oh my god.
That's what happens when you have two. That's what happens when you have twins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh mate, fuck it. I'll pay you deal now.
Oh,
Aww.
I might have to go home. She's crying down the phone to me.
Aww.
mate, I'll get it, mate. I'll get it.
I'm just going to ring the office and sort it out.
Rather excitingly, the cavalry has arrived. So, with Frankie having to run off to tend his family, Farron has kindly sent a couple more chaps around so we can get these chimney breasts out today. So the other thing that we've decided to try to do, need to check the budget, is hopefully we'll be able to order the soundproofing to go behind the plasterboard before they put it up, and that will just save rather a lot of time and frankly make the soundproofing more effective. So we'll see if I can get that ordered tonight. And look how nice and clean it all looks. Fabulous. Well, my mother has sent me the tiles that I had shipped to her house in the US. It cost her $90 to ship these. It cost me £17 in tariff. So I do fear that even if these are the greatest tiles ever made, I probably can't afford to have them, given how much it cost to have two. But, very annoyingly, they are really beautiful, aren't they? Oh, my bathroom would love those. They would go so nice with our beautiful sink. And I've never seen anything like them in the UK. But yeah, I just don't think we can justify it, can we? Later, when we don't have a house full of builders, I will pull out the sink and look at them next to it. I'm secretly hoping that they just don't go with it at all and would look awful. because I am quite fond of them. Well, I desperately try to warm up because I forgot to turn the heat on in our office / bedroom while I was wrapping up work. Oh, it's cold in here. Really good progress today. A little bit slower than we'd planned, obviously, because we had a bit of a worker change quite early in the day and had some apprentices come to help, which we're very grateful for. Love young people on the magical journey with us. They put in some hard graft and they did get quite a bit done downstairs. So I think the whole rest of the brickwork will come out Monday. They'll drill in the holes for the steel. So by end of day Tuesday, it'll all be nice and secure. And then it's about putting in the hanger joists to put in the floor all the way to the wall. And then there's obviously some plastering and all of that has to go on. But overall, feeling really good about it. Very grateful to have a couple of days with no drilling, banging, jackhammering. It has been a little bit stressful, only because I had so much work to do. But we got there in the end. It just meant working a little bit late. And yeah. I think that's about it. We are at a gig tomorrow, so we won't be doing stuff. But if the weather is nice enough, we're hoping to get a bit of work on the Bug Hotel done on Sunday, since we can't really do anything in the house because it's a big, fat, dusty mess. So we will see you later in the weekend, or at least on Monday, hopefully with some really nice big updates.